All right, here's a 2012 NCEA 2 exam. This is going to be question 1c. So we're getting to the end of the question 1. We're just going to start question 2 shortly. So it says solve this equation. Explain why it only has one real solution. So and it also says let 3 to the n equals x. So my first inclination would actually be to go ahead and expand this out. But I'm noticing we've got a whole bunch of things to the 3 here, including 27. But I'm not going to worry about that too much. Instead, I'm going to say we've got, 3 to the n equals x. So let's rewrite this out then. So I've got 9 to the n minus 6 times 3 to the n minus 27 is 0. We really don't need the brackets here. And we're going to let, I'll put let x equal 3 to the n. Probably best written that way around, by the way. You normally say the variable we want is equal to the old thing we had. Not the other way around. It's unusual, but you could do, I suppose. So anyway, so the first thing we got is minus 6 times x. So this bit becomes minus 6 times x, that bit there. This bit, though, is going to be 3. If I make that into a power of 3, this is really going to be 9, you see, is 3 to the power of 2. Here it is. And it's going to be 2 to the 3n. All minus 27 is 0. Now, but we know that 3 to the power of n is x. But this is 3 to the power of 2n. In other words, it's going to be x squared. So this is going to become x squared now. Minus 6x minus 27 is 0. All right, so let's go ahead and see if we can factorize this. So that's what it's crying out for, as far as I can see. So factors of 27, and we'll just put a little sidebar here. Factors of 27, they're going to be 1 and 27, 3 and 9. And the 3 and 9, of course, works pretty well. So let's write my 2 factors down. So I've got an x and an x. Notice the signs are going to be different. Doesn't matter which order they're in. Biggest one's going to be negative, and it's going to be a 9. So I've got a 9 and a 3. Let's see how that works. 3 times negative 9 is negative 27, and 3 minus 9 is negative 6. So therefore, we could say either x is equal to negative 3, or x is equal to 9. Now, of course, it's not really x is 9 or x is negative 3 we want, because we know that x is equal to 3 to the n. So therefore, we could say 3 to the n is equal to negative 3, or 3 to the n equals 9. Well, here, it's pretty obvious we've got a solution, yes. Output implies that n equals 2. And our hit here implies no solution. The reason there's no solution is brackets log of negative number. I'll put here I'll put a null set after that, yeah? There's not a solution. It's a null set. So I'm just going to put no solution, or you could just put that if you want. I just put both. But at the end of the day, we want to say that n equals 2 is the only solution. I put here only valid real solution. And hopefully that's what they're after.